With the assisted pull-up machine, the more weight on the machine, the more assistance it's going to give you, which is the easier it's going to be. The less weight, the harder it's going to be, which is backwards from any other machine in the gym. So that can be a little confusing. To get on the machine, we're going to put one knee on the pad. This way, we're going to grab parallel in this exercise, and then we're going to put the other knee on the pad. Make sure you have a full grip before you get on, because you should weigh heavier than the machine to make it a workout, and I don't want you to fall. One little pro tip is to keep your eyes up. That will encourage you to keep your chest up and use your back muscles. One last thing here, when I see women struggle with this, I'll see them kind of create a swing with their hips. You can see I'm bringing my knees up first before my back. You want to keep your hips forward in line with your knees and make sure you're using all of your back muscles. If it's too hard and you feel like you're swinging your hips, go ahead and add a little bit more weight on the machine and then continue. Getting off the machine can be a little intimidating, so I'm going to play this a couple times to show you. I get off at the bottom, so when I'm down at the bottom, I'll put one leg down on the foot peg, using my other leg to raise the knee pad, and then once the weight is sitting down completely, then I'll take that leg off.